witness the symphony of precision, where every tick is a masterpiece. From the Earth's heart to the artisan's soul, a universe of precision is born. Each component, a testament to craftsmanship. Each tick, a heartbeat of engineering perfection. Look closer. Beyond the surface lies an intricate dance of gears and springs, each playing its part in a symphony of time. Hundreds of hours, condensed into a single moment of flawless beauty. Forged in vision, shaped by light, every facet, a reflection of intent. It does not just tell time, it captures light, defining moments with elegance and grace. This is more than a watch. It is a masterpiece of modern engineering and art. Experience the brilliance of true craftsmanship. Discover the art of time. Discover perfection. Visit us at website. Like and follow for more luxurious moments.